Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tobaldi Goes Modelworks, and yeah, it's the Tamiya's 1/48 scale King Tiger. Oh dear, I built it. So basically, I decided I just got carried away. I was inspired by Nigel's RFM Tiger build, so I pulled my finger out, collective finger out, and decided to build it. It's been sitting up in a box by my workbench up in the dining room, waiting to be painted. So obviously, you take the turret off. It's quite easy to assemble. Oops, dropping the screwdriver everywhere. So we get the screws out. There we go. Yeah, so oh, it's that bit, those bits rattling on the back. I thought the screw was sitting there. So there we go. Obviously, I've glued the tracks on because all the wheels are I do apologise for that. It's the builders next door. They're all body colour. They're obviously steel wheels, surrounded wheels. So we did that. We stuck the tracks on because it makes it fairly straightforward to do. Because it's a bit like the Sturm Tiger, which I did. So it just requires a little bit of masking to paint this. So we're going to prime it in Mr. Finishing Surface to black, and all these bits here. These are the bits I haven't glued on. So that's the mud flaps. And I still forgot to get the bloody dark iron from up at the other workbench. Never mind. Yeah. So I'm going to prime it, and hopefully it will have quietened down by then. At that point. So we'll see you in a bit with the Tamiya King Tiger build. Obviously, we've got a lovely shade of red oxide on here. All the parts are done. That's an MRP. That's MRP red oxide over Mr. Finishing Surface of 1500. As you can see on that. Obviously the turret is done some way. So obviously up next is painting the tracks with the dark iron. And then we can pick out the wheel, and then hopefully we'll be able to pick out the wheels. And obviously by masking it up and being a bit creative with the airbrush. Yes, I did spill some there, as you can see, but I didn't touch it. Just let it dry. So yeah. So up next, we're going to get the tracks painted. So we'll pause it there, and we'll see you in a bit. So I've done the tracks, very quick and dirty, basically with the dark iron. Next up will be, once these are fully dry, they've got to go off for for about 24 hours before I mask them. And then we'll do the yellow on the hull and on the wheels, hopefully. Get them all marked up. and obviously we're going to paint the hull, the upper hull in its entirety, and the turret and everything. Obviously get these bits painted as well. Now the tracks are painted, I can paint these. So of course it shows I've not painted them at all because I'm lazy. So I'll go and do that now quickly, and go and give that a coat of, go and give those a coat of primer. That's MRP red oxide, I think. It's a primer I've had for quite a while. It worked quite well. I was rather impressed with it. It worked really well. And get these bits painted. Doors painted at the moment. So yeah. So in that exciting, well, that's another load of waffle for me on this one. So I'll see you again in part 1. We'll get this bit all painted, hopefully, and show you these in action for the ambush camo that I've got to do on this, which is like that. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.